In today's video, I'll show you how to resize any shape to exact dimensions in Canva, step by step. Start by opening Canva and your design project. On the left-hand menu, click on Elements. Then type Shapes in the search bar. Browse through the options and pick the shape that fits your project, whether it's a square, circle, or rectangle. Click on it and drag it onto your canvas. Once your shape is on the canvas, you'll see small circles on each corner. These are your resizing handles. Click and drag them to adjust the size. Canva shows the dimensions in real time as you resize, making it easy to hit the exact measurements you need. And that's it. Whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or any other project, this trick helps you customize shapes with precision and professionalism. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.